Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, well, we're gonna catch up where we left off, sort of with attention to detail PA. I sort of hinted the fact that Andy from Chester County Transmissions was doing a valve body job, so I got some content with that. But before we go into that content, which is really simple and quick, it's just a little bit of information for you guys with your heavy-duty Ram trucks with the 68 RFE transmissions. Just a little tidbit of information with that RevMax valve body, nothing too crazy. Give you some updates, what's going on with the channel. I know I've been on social media. If you're not following me on Instagram, Facebook, or even TikTok, make sure you do so, because we're always giving little hints and tidbits of what we're gonna be doing next. I do have some stuff planned for the Scat Pack. I've been planning it, been working with a couple different companies, some awesome companies, some that I already work with, and we got some stuff in the works for that. And the Jeep, we got some stuff going on with the Jeep too. We're gonna be installing the bumper that you guys recommended on all of our social media, and that's gonna be happening very, very soon. I'm excited about that. Decent company, awesome bumper, and I'm gonna explain all the reasons why I chose these two bumpers, but this one specifically, and you guys voted on it, and well, I went with you. I went with your decision, because I was stuck between two bumpers, and the LOD bumper and the Warm bumper. So you guys will see what I actually ended up going with, but you guys helped with that decision, so thank you. We also got Jesse's Jeep coming on the channel, and we're also gonna be doing some work on a Duramax. Yes, the JP shop truck. We're gonna be doing some stuff in there. We're gonna be adding some accessories to his truck, Keith's truck, and so we got all kinds of random content to sort of all strewn together. So we got Charger content coming up. Oh, the Rebel's not done yet. I've been working with someone I've worked with in the past a long time ago. He just jumped on board. And then we'll be going back out to Maple Grove Automotive for some dyno testing and some installations. But dyno testing just with the Ram after we install something. So I'm looking forward to that. A lot of good content coming up, guys. Keep watching. I appreciate it. Share all the videos. All that stuff helps. And then I'm going to give you a pro tip. A lot of you want to know how I do this and why I do this. And well, the main thing why I do it is because it's fueling my passion. Basically, I've always been an automotive enthusiast, whether on-road, off-road. It's just been my thing, but I sort of lost touch over years because I was career-driven at that time, and now with my career coming to an end very soon because of retirement around the corner, now I'm getting back into my passion, which I've been doing for like the last 3 years. So I've started vlogging on YouTube. A couple well-known YouTubers in the area actually inspired me to step out of my comfort zone and start talking to all you guys on YouTube. And honestly, it's the best thing I've ever did. It's opened up so many doors and so many opportunities. And well, I feel like it's important for me to share this, how I do this. I don't rely totally on YouTube. And here's the pro tip I was talking about. I sell AMSOIL. When you guys buy your AMSOIL from me, it helps support the channel. Every bit of residual income that I get helps support the channel so I can continue to do the stuff that I do. So I sell it, which means you guys can sell it. And if you guys are interested in it, if you go to bsynthetics.com, there's an opportunities link. You can click on that and you can become a dealer. It costs $50 a year to become a dealer. Even if you just sell to like a couple friends and family, it will benefit you and it'll help you out because you can get your AMSOIL at cost. So that's one pro tip. I'm gonna go in each video, I'm gonna give you a little pro tip, and then one video I'm gonna just summarize everything that I do to help make money and help support the channel so I can have 3 awesome vehicles to make content with. That's enough talking. Let's jump in. Let's see what Andy's got going on.
Andy, Chester County Transmissions. We are going to be unboxing something. It is RevMax's HD/towing valve body. It's a fantastic product. We've talked about it before. You know, we've used it in different builds, and I know you guys have seen it on the channel in the past. So, but we've never actually done an unboxing of this particular valve body. So, figured I would at least do it so you guys get to see. Not that it's anything too crazy, but still might be a little bit of interesting content for you. Plus Steve wants me to do it. He pays me on the side. All right. So this is what we're looking at. This is how she comes. Pull this puppy on out of here. All right. There we go. There's that. Put this out of the way. A nice Ziploc bag The reason this is Ziploc is because there's a core charge, so the old valve body, the one that's coming out, is going to have to be repackaged and sent back. So it's going to come out with the nice little mat for soaking up the oil. Be right back. Amazon, go figure. So this is like a pig mat designed to soak up oil. So when we repackage the old valve body, which inherently is going to have some oil on it, it's going to go in this bag. But you know, we want to make sure we're not causing any problems with the environment during shipping and things like that. So if you guys come in close, I guess probably the coolest thing that's worth pointing out that you can see on the outside is number one, this is RevMax's extra thick plate. If you look at it here, you can see exactly how thick that is. So this is the thickest one on the market. And also, we have an additional fastener right here to help hold the underdrive and overdrive accumulators in place, which that's this one and this one. So this puppy here is ready to go. It also here, this is RevMax's bonded separator plate that they use. So just so you know, in stock, in a stock build, the way this comes, this separator plate here is actually just a steel plate. The gaskets are separate pieces. So what RevMax did is they made the plate with the gaskets bonded on there. Just makes it seal better, that's all. Gives us the best opportunity to not have cross leaks and things such as that. So there you have it, guys. We're going to be installing it. Oh! Yeah, that's you and your freaking investment in the floor dry company. You know? I'm start calling you Bradley Floor Dry.
I wish I had seen him stop.
So we're removing the 8mm bolts to drop that puppy on out of there. She should be coming down here in just a second. And I can't tell you who the mystery man is with the orange gloves. It's a secret. Hey, there it is. She's out of the hole. Right there, solenoid block. We will transfer that to the new valve body. And she's going to go up in that hole right there. And this here is a screw-on filter right there. That will be getting replaced. And we're also going to be putting a RevMax steel adapter. We don't have to deal with anything breaking. And just for the sake of showing you guys, that piece there, that shiny guy, that is our overdrive drum that we have so many problems with. Or at least you can see it here in stock form. All done. We got her installed and ready to go. A beautiful truck. Thank you, Josh. We certainly appreciate the business, buddy.
Shout out to Josh Moore. He's a subscriber, and he actually chose Chester County Transmissions to, well, he purchased the RevMax valve body through Chester County Transmissions and had them do the installation. So shout out to him for supporting the shops that support me so I can continue to make this content. I know Andy mentioned in the video that I pay him. I don't pay him anything. He does this. Well, he benefits from it too as well because, well, that's what I'm talking about. It's opening up all kinds of doors. He allows me to come in at a video. He gives all kinds of awesome information so we can all learn. That's what this channel's about, the premises of it. But it's also family stuff. We go off-roading. We have a good time. But Andy opens his doors to us and, you know, shares his wealth of knowledge so we can put it all out on YouTube so all you guys can enjoy it and learn from it. So that's why we do it. That's the doors that we open, and that awesome subscribers like Josh go to the shops that support me. And speaking of that, Andy, Chester County Transmission, is an AMSOIL retailer through me, so he's going to start keeping AMSOIL products actually on hand. So if you don't want to use it, if you're not going there for service and you just need AMSOIL, physically get your hands on it like right away. If you're local, Andy's going to have that at the shop. He can also order it for you as well if you need to. But again, that's how Andy's buying stuff and selling stuff at his shop. That helps support my dealership, my AMSOIL dealership, because he's a retailer through me, and it opens even more doors. So just a little example of how these things work, guys. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're stopping by for the first time, make sure you smash, tap, do something to that subscribe button. Make sure all those notifications are on so you get notified of all of our awesome videos. Love you guys. We'll see you on the next upload.